and I have to catch it. George!
Oh dear, George's hiccups are spoiling the game.
George, I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub the top of your head and rub your tongue. Good! Now your hiccups are gone.
This cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked.
George, you've done it all wrong.
Don't worry, George. I've got an idea. Could we have 2 of the long balloons, please? Watch this, everybody.
What is Daddy Pig doing with the balloons?
There. Can anyone guess what it is?
Is it a kangaroo?
Oh, no. It's a...
Dinosaur.
That's right, a dinosaur.
Daddy Pig has made a balloon dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Now the bouncy castle.